So now we're ready to journey together. And our intention for today's journey is to connect up with the nature spirits. Specifically, we're going to work with Mama Ocean, Mama Earth, Grandfather Sun, Grandmother Moon, and the cosmos. And the reason we're doing this is so that we can create a dynamic relationship, so that we can create a flow of energy between us and these nature spirits. They have a lot of power and a lot of energy to offer us, to heal us, to help transform our lives for the better. So it's time we learn how to tap in to their energies for our benefit and for the benefit of everybody. So let's begin now by lying down. Or perhaps you prefer to sit up. Make sure you're supported in your sitting position. Grab cushions, pillows, blankets, whatever you need to get really comfortable. The more comfortable your body is, the more you can relax and tune in and focus your intention. Now place one hand on your heart chakra. This is just between your breasts, and one hand on your sacral chakra, just below your belly button. And take some deep breaths into your body now. Give every muscle of your body permission to relax now. Scan your body with your awareness. Maybe you want to begin at the top of your head. Start to move through different layers of your body, inviting each part of the body to relax more deeply. Allowing the forehead to relax, the eyes, the tiny muscles around the eyes, the jaw, the ears, the head muscles, all the muscles around the back of the neck, the throat, the shoulders. Allowing those chest muscles to relax, the muscles of the rib cage, the back. Moving down through the spine, letting the spine soften. Softening the arms, the triceps, the biceps, the forearms, the wrists, the hands, and the fingers. Allowing that relaxation to spread down through the torso. Relaxing the organs of the body, which have also got muscles infused in them, so giving every organ of the body permission to rest and let go now. Moving down into the pelvis with the awareness, relaxing the whole of that lower abdomen, the bands of muscle that surround the hip area and the intestines. Allowing everything to soften, relax, to be at ease. Moving down into the legs, softening the legs and the buttocks, the front, the sides, the back of the legs, down through the knees, into the calves, the fronts of the legs, down into the ankles, the heels, the tops of the feet, the bottom of the feet, and the very tips of your toes now. All the muscles of the body, from the top of the head down to the tips of the toes, now really relaxing and letting go. Now we've relaxed our body, we can tune into our energy body with our awareness. And let's imagine that we are tuning in to our crown chakra, and that's the one just above the top of our heads. This crown chakra connects us up to the universe, to the cosmos. And so allow this porthole, this energy doorway to open now. And allow yourself now to call in and receive the energy of the universe, the pure, refined energy of the universe. Allow it to come down through your crown chakra, through the top of your head, spreading down through the chakra matrix within the body, and spreading out through the meridians of the body, until it begins to spread through every cell of our body. Allow this energy to come down through the top of our heads, through that third eye chakra, the throat chakra, the heart chakra, the chakras of the torso, the solar plexus, the sacral chakra, down through the base chakra now. Allow it to create a cleansing vibration, so that as it moves through your chakra system, it washes away any sticky old energy which no longer serves you, any energy which has become disordered, chaotic, anything which is not perfectly in harmony with you can now leave your body as we wash ourselves clean using the light energy of the universe. See any dark, heavy energy being pushed out through the base chakra now into the earth beneath us. Allow it to drain away completely into the earth. And know that you are giving Mama Earth an offering now, an offering of heavy energy, and she drinks it like it's a delicious beverage. Perhaps also like we've just drunk our cacao, she's now drinking this heavy energy like it's her cup of cacao. Human beings are the only beings on this planet that can create this heavy energy. And she loves to drink this heavy energy from us. So allow it to be washed clean, giving it as an offering to the earth now, flowing out through that base chakra into the ground. Imagining even more light energy coming in through the top of your head now, as if you're turning up the switch in your crown chakra to full beam. That full beam of energy, that light coming through you now like a super jet wash. It's clearing out any old sticky energies that are left behind, releasing them into the earth. Allow it to compost that old energy now and turn it into nourishing energy again for us to use. Now we will begin to work more closely with the spirits of nature. The spirits of water, earth, sun, moon, and the cosmos. We'll work with each of these energies by connecting up our energy body to their energy body. We'll work to create a dynamic relationship, to create an interchange of energies for our mutual benefit. So let us first tune in to the base chakra. It resides at the very base of the spine and it extends down into the tail of our coccyx. Imagine that you're extending that tail of your spine down longer and longer, like it's growing out of you, kind of like a monkey tail or a root, and it's searching down into the earth, searching for a connection to a source of water. Perhaps you live close to the ocean, perhaps you live near a river or an estuary. Allow your tail to find the nearest source of natural water that it can connect to for your nourishment today. As it connects up now, allow the water energy to come into your base chakra, washing through that chakra, cleansing it, and now moving up through the other chakras, all the way through the system, through the energy body, through the meridians, through the cells, removing any hucha, any heavy energy, moving it down through the system again and back down out of that base chakra, back down into the water. In exchange for that light, ordered energy, we give away our disordered, uncomfortable energy. Anything which no longer serves us is released, and we create space to receive the new light energy from the water. Allow this to circulate and continue as we now tune in to the next chakra, moving up now to that sacral chakra just by your tummy button. We're going to connect this chakra up with the earth. So now again, see filaments or roots coming out from that chakra and spreading down into the earth, connecting with the earth energy, and like a plant, drawing up the nourishment that the earth has to offer you. Drawing up that energy into the body, in through that sacral chakra, and bring that energy through the other chakras now down into the base and also up through into the heart, the throat, the third eye, and into the crown chakra. Allow this energy to bring its sense of earthiness, of groundedness, of solidity. And as it moves through you, it allows any old energy that no longer serves you again to be released and cleansed and washed away. Giving it back now to the spirit of the earth, allowing Pachamama to eat up that heavy energy, making space for you to receive the nourishing energy that she has to offer you. Allow that circuit of energy to continue to flow. When we now move up to our heart chakra, at this center of energy, we open up to connect with the sun. Feel the chakra now open up and send filaments to connect upwards towards the sun and draw the sun's light into your heart, allowing it to spread warmth and light and inspiration into your energy body in beautiful patterns. See these energies blending together, making new colors, nourishing you, allowing the sun's energy to cleanse you as well, burning away now any old energies that you do not wish to hold in your body anymore. Releasing any of that energy back towards the sun, and also allowing the energies to be blended through you so that you are a mixing pot now of earth energy, water and sun's fire, all moving through your system, and each of those elements is sending the other nature spirit a little bit of their own energy as well. So earth is now receiving the water and the sun's fire, water is receiving the earth and the sun is receiving earth and water energy, all along with your own energies which are blended into this mix. Allow all these energies to flow within you and out of you in beautiful spiraling patterns of light. And now let's tune into our throat chakra. And let's allow our throat chakra to send out filaments of energy towards our moon, our grandmother moon. Allow your energy to breathe in the love of the moon. Bring in the energy of the moon goddess in through your throat chakra. Bring it down into the energy body. Bring it upwards towards the crown chakra and the third eye. Sharing it with every chakra, sharing it through the meridians, sharing it through every cell of your body. Allowing Grandmother Moon's energy to cleanse you, to circulate within you and to nourish you with her yin energy, her cooling night light. Allowing all of these energies to blend together, creating within you a rainbow soup of colours. And now finally, let us become aware that we have opened up our crown chakra to the universe, to the cosmos, to all that is, to the creation energy that flows through all things. Let us share all the energies of the earth, the water, the suns, the moon, and our love with the cosmos now, through our crown chakra. And And in return, the cosmos showers us with love and infinite potential. Allow yourself to enjoy this blissful connection with all that is. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. Hey, 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 oh, oh. Hey, 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 oh, oh. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. Hey, 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 oh, oh, oh. Hey, 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 oh, 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 oh. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. Hey, 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 oh, oh. Hey, 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 oh, oh. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. The earth, the air, the fire, the water, return, 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 return. Hey, 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 oh, oh. Hey, 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 oh, oh. Allow yourself to continue to absorb the loving energies of the nature spirits. Allow them to cleanse you, allow them to heal you, allow them to empower you, and relax in this sacred space. And I'll call you back when we're ready to come back to full awareness again and disconnect from our nature spirits. But just for now, enjoy resting in this deep connected meditative practice. time for us to come back to being just ourselves again. And as we prepare to unplug ourselves from this cosmic connection, offer a thought of gratitude to our nature spirits today, the water, the earth, the sun, the moon, and the cosmos. And now gently, we start to unplug our chakras one by one. First, releasing our base chakra from the water element, drawing up our tail back into our body. Now disconnecting our sacral chakra from the earth, drawing in the cords of connection, the roots that went deep into the earth. Now tuning into our heart, releasing the filaments that connected to the heart's light into the sun, coming back to just being us again. Now focusing on your throat chakra, draw back in the filaments that were attaching into the moon's light. And last, we close down the crown chakra, disconnecting from our connection to the cosmos, coming back to just being ourselves again. Now let us restore our individuality completely by drawing our energy bubble back around us so that it's closely around us and we're not sharing it with anybody else or any other cosmic energies. So just imagine now that you're drawing your energy bubble, your protective bubble, around you from under your feet, around the front, the sides, of the back of the body, all the way up over the top of the head. I like to imagine mine like it's rainbows. You might want to see it as a sparkling silver or gold. However you want to see your bubble around you, know now that it's here to protect you and it's completely there for you at all times so that you can control your vital forces and let in what you wish to let in and let out what you wish to let out. As we now come back into our full conscious energy, start to feel your body again. Maybe you want to wiggle your fingers and toes to wake them up a little bit. Maybe take in a few deep breaths to enliven the body. And once you feel fully awake, take some time to reflect on your experiences today. Make a journal if that's the way you like to process. Now going to close our ceremonial circle for today. And if you're part of this as a live ceremony, then we'll be moving back to our talking circle in a few minutes to integrate our experiences and to share what we may have learned today from the nature spirits. Spirits of the East, we thank you. We thank the dawn and the rising sun. We thank fire and new beginnings. We thank this opportunity to birth a new life and a new way of being. And we thank Great Eagle for watching over us today, the condor, the hummingbird, for coming and taking our prayers to heaven on their wings, so that we can connect with our dreams and discover the dreams that we dare to dream. Beloved spirits of the South, we thank you. We thank the water and the flow of life. We thank the day and the warmth of the noon sun. And we thank the people we're becoming, the passion rising within us to follow our path. And we thank the spirits of water buffalo and horse and frog who join us today on our journey to help us to cleanse our energy, to feel fresh, to feel alive. And we tune in and thank the spirits of the West, the earth, the fertility of life, the dusk and the setting sun. And we thank our spirit, the bear, for helping us today, for guiding us to the dark place, to the go within place, where we can tune in to our inner energy body, connect with the cosmos and discover new dreams. Beloved ones, we thank you. Beloved spirits of the North, we thank you. We thank the night and the bright moon and the dark moon. We thank the ancestors, and we thank the wolf who protected us on our journey, guided us all the way home. And we tune in now to Mother Earth beneath our feet. Mother Earth, we thank you. We thank you for the gift of life and birth, the wonder of all your children, the plant people, the stone people, the creatures of the land, the waters, the air, the mushrooms, the fungi. And we ask that you help us to be in harmonic flow with all our relations on earth. And we tune into Father Sky, and we ask Father Sky to look down, to watch over us, protect us, and we thank him for wrapping his loving arms of protection around Mother Earth and all her children. We thank him for the breath of life and the winds of change, for the blue skies and the grey. And now, lastly, we tune in and we thank the cosmos, our connection to Great Spirit. He who has 10,000 names yet is still unnameable. We thank you. And now, also, if you wish to thank any of your own spirit animals, spirit guides, ancestors, anybody else that came to work with you today, Mama Cacao, then take a moment to do that now. And I thank you all for coming. I thank you for cleansing the energy, for drawing in new energy into your energy body, so that the ripples of our healing can spread out through all of life on earth. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in ceremony again soon.